Hey!
Hey y'all! So tonight we're going to be making some
Mississippi pot roast.
She's learning how to do that. So
Daddy got some meat that was half price, and then he got another thing of it because it wasn't very big. And he wanted to make it last throughout the week for like leftovers or sandwiches or anything like that.
then we're going to add
Some pepperoni.
the actual recipe only calls for the peppers.
But my sister-in-law
Bailey.
adds the jar in.
She dumps the whole jar in.
Yeah.
I called her to verify before we made the video just to make sure, because I knew that's what I thought she did, but I didn't want to go messing it up. And I asked her if it was too spicy, and she said she didn't think it was spicy at all. So we're gonna do the whole jar, and then
We have some au jus
seasoning, gravy mix, and then
some ranch mix,
ranch seasoning.
and then some butter.
You ready?
I'm ready.
All right. You want to do the meat or you want me to?
You can do the meat.
How did I know you were going to say that? All right. So we have a busy day scheduled tomorrow, don't we?
Mm-hmm.
We have obviously school and work, and then after that we have a volleyball game with Anna. And so we won't get home from that till, I don't know, it just depends, 8:30, who knows. We'll just have it ready so when we get off, when we get home, we'll be able to have something to eat, and I don't have to worry about scrounging something up. We are family on the go all the time, it seems like lately, huh? Since school started back. I'm gonna wash my hands and I'll be right back. You can talk to them.
School always has us very busy.
Very busy. The last couple of weekends we've been at volleyball tournaments and
Band competitions.
football games on Friday night.
We had a band competition. Friday night.
Well, we had
Saturday night.
Yeah, we had the football game. We had a football game Friday night, and the band performed amazing, and we won the football game. And so Saturday morning, when we got up at like 6 a.m. and went to a volleyball tournament over in Goshen, and the girls won championship of that tournament, so that was awesome. And then we made it back in time to get changed and go straight to the field for them to perform at our local A-Town, where all the bands come and they do band competitions. So we missed the fun of the day and watched all the other bands perform. But anyway, we had us a busy weekend, and then obviously, you know, from today, the post today that yesterday we had Aunt Vicky's 70th birthday party. So we've had a busy weekend, haven't we?
Mm-hmm.
So, all right, let's go.
So what's first? The pepper sauce?
Yeah, you can do that. I'm sure there's no right or wrong. I went on and opened it because I didn't feel like.
So they just dump it?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Almost.
And roast, lots of the times, it
The peppers
actually,
are kind of stuck.
it's okay. The roast, lots of times, will make its own.
Ooh! That's, wow.
Well, then you just get your fingers in there and start pulling. Anyway, the roast will put off its own juices, and you don't even have to add water or anything. So you don't technically need all that juice from the sauce, but I know we like Bailey's, and that's how she does it, so that's how we're doing it. And we'll do half a stick of butter.
So do I just dump it in there?
Well, I was going to cut it in little pieces. We don't want to.
You can cut it.
You've done gotten too good at the knife for me to take over. You could probably just dump it over in there anyway. You probably don't even have to cut it, but cut it up in about, I don't know, 4.
Okay.
And put it around. is fine. It don't matter.
And that's 4.
I know. I'm saying if you want to cut that one, you can. You can just spread them out. Perfect, Caitlin.
Actually, I'm gonna make this on it.
Move them around where you like them, huh?
Ooh, that's spicy. That's spicy. I got butter all over my hands.
It's all right. We can wash them at the end.
Can I dump it?
You most certainly can. I wasn't going to take that from you. What's it called again?
Au jus.
Au jus.
It's like what, French or something?
I think so. Well, at Arby's you get the French dip with the au jus sauce. So. There you go. And just spread it out. Perfect. All right, and we're going to put this on in the crock pot. I'm going to turn it on low, and that we'll do that in the morning. And by the time your daddy gets off, he can turn it off. And then when we get home from the volleyball game, we'll have supper. We'll have some. We have some quick potatoes to go with it that Travis picked up just because, like I said, it'll be late when we get in. But we'll have dinner. And it's not fast food. Yay! We've been eating way too much fast food lately just because we've been on the go so much. So hope y'all enjoyed it, and I hope y'all enjoy it if y'all make it at home. Caitlin, you gonna enjoy it?
I will.
All right, y'all have a great night.
Bye.